Good afternoon, geneticists. I need everybody to stand up, please. All right. And we're not moving until I say go. So when I say go, I want the girls to move over here to this side of the room and the boys to move over to this side of the room.
So where do the men go?
This way. All right, ready, go.
Very nice.
If it was a man, it would be a valuable question.
Oh man, Gwen, trying to trip us.
Did it work?
Okay, so remembering what we talked about yesterday regarding the X and the Y chromosomes and the differences between males and females, please turn to your group and please briefly discuss what those differences are. And when your group has come up with an answer, eyes back on me. Go.
X chromosomes much bigger than Y chromosomes. So they are considered homologous. X and Y, your sex chromosomes together, even though yeah, an X and a Y together. The X's are much larger. Yeah, they're much superior in quality. Thank you.
Now, are we supposed
Okay, class, eyes up here. Okay, so men, how many X chromosomes do you each have?
One.
And how many Y chromosomes?
One Y.
Great. And females, how many X chromosomes do you have?
They're going to be called men, I think.
Women. And how many Y chromosomes?
Zero.
Zero. Good. All right. Very good. Okay. So everyone give yourselves a thumbs up, please. All right. And while your thumbs are up, take a closer look at those thumbs. Are your thumbs bent at the top or straight at the top? If those thumbs are bent, when I say go, I want you to come over here to the blue wall. If your thumbs are straight up and down,
I think you're
over
right.
here.
You're straight. No.
Okay, go.
You're like straight or bent?
Yeah.
I think you're bent.
What if you're half and half?
Those are bad.
But if they bend over at all, you're a bent thumb.
Okay. That's from slamming it in the cardboard.
Big time. Oh, yeah.
Open it here. 3 fingers. See, I know that's more.
Yeah, they're
Okay, so
definitely
that
straight.
bent thumb is called the hitchhiker's thumb.
There you go.
Very good. All right, we're going to do one more. Everybody feel your earlobes, please. Are those earlobes hanging down, kind of like this? This was your ear? Or are they attached to your head like this?
Unrelated to the name.
If they're hanging down, please go stand over by the blue wall. If they're attached, over to the other side. Ready, go.
Attached. The better earlobes over there. The better earlobes. Superior earlobes.
Lobes are better. Come on.
Give them an over.
Yeah, my ear looks
Yeah, me too.
So,
Yours are really
what determines, class, attention up here please. So what determines whether our thumbs are bent or straight, or we have attached earlobes or hanging earlobes? For a particular trait, such as the shape of your thumb or your earlobes, each person is going to inherit one allele from each of their biological parents. Remember what we talked about yesterday, an allele is just a gene located in the same spot on each chromosome. So, and together they'll determine your physical and behavioral outcome. So, show me with your fingers how many alleles you have total that have determined whether your thumb is bent or straight, or your earlobes are hanging or attached. Remember, one from your mother and one from your father. That's 2. Very good. All right,
That is if
everybody.
you had one father and one.
Everybody can go back and have a seat, please.
That's a big assumption. Yeah. Multiple parent people.
Yeah, it could be a.
All right, I need everybody to take out a sheet of paper. Actually, one sheet of paper per group if you guys want to pair up. Kim and Emily, Christine and Gwen, Katie. Turn around with Brian and pair up with him, Diane and Stephanie, and the 3 of you guys back there, Chris, Wayne, you guys can work together. And so what we're all going to do is we're all going to draw a grid, a little tic-tac-toe grid on our paper. And it's gonna look like this.
Gotta
So
put
if
it
we could all
square.
draw a grid on our paper like that, please. And so we are going to be playing Mendelian tic-tac-toe today.
Ooh.
All right. So we see we have 2 letters on the top here and 2 letters on the side. Can anybody tell me and predict what those 2 letters stand for up here?
Alleles.
Very good. So the males are typically on the side here, and the females are typically at the top. And so what we're going to do is we
As
are going
is
to
appropriate.
what?
As is appropriate. Women being on top.
So basically, this is called a Punnett square, and it's used to determine the genetic outcome of the offspring of 2 people, the male and the female, and the alleles that they're contributing to their potential offspring. So what we're going to do is we're going to play tic-tac-toe, but first you'll notice that some of the letters are uppercase and some are lowercase. Does anybody have a guess at what that might mean? Wait.
The uppercase are dominant
Yes.
alleles, and the lowercase are the recessive.
Very good. So the uppercase ones are the dominants, and the dominant alleles trump the recessive alleles. So in order to play this game, what we're going to do is one person in your partnership is going to be the male, and one person in your partnership is going to be the female. It doesn't have to correlate with what you actually are. And what you're going to do is you're going to go one by one through the squares here, and you're going to determine what the 2 alleles are that your potential offspring might have. So for example, on the first one, the male, you're going to bring your H over here, and the female, you're going to drop your H down here. So get together and work in your groups and figure out the first set.
How'd you know that?
Brilliant.
You're smart. What a smart kid.
Big brain.
Lots of wrinkles.
How did you know that?
I wrinkle my brain every
How did you
day.
know? I didn't even hear anything.
Huh?
You're being sarcastic.
What else?
Yeah, I know. Pretty funny.
All right, is everybody done? Okay, so for this first box here, big H, big H. If you know that the little h over here is the recessive gene, and 2 recessive genes make the hitchhiker's thumb, which is bent thumb, what's this offspring's thumb going to look like? Great,
Straight.
very good. All right, what about this next box here? We brought the H over and the little h. What's this offspring's thumb going to look like?
Straight.
Very good. And this one?
Straight.
Okay, and what about this last one here?
Bent.
Bent. All right, so what percentage of the potential offspring are going to have the bent hitchhiker's thumb?
I thought this was science, not math.
Very good. All right. So we're going to do one more here, only this one we are going to do with the male and the female, the sex chromosomes. If you remember, females have 2 X's,